So guys, welcome to H-QTV. So guys, BLUM Airdrop eligibility is out, and what we want to do is maybe we're eligible for the airdrop or not. So it has to do with some criteria. So BLUM, I'm just going to search for it here. So this is it. I'm going to launch BLUM. So I want to know if I'm eligible, because there are a lot of things for you to be eligible, a lot. So it has to do with the overall activities. BLUM Airdrop checker is out. Am I eligible? So how do you know if you're eligible? So just click on am I eligible? Click on the am I eligible button. So just click on BLUM Airdrop checker live now. Click on am I eligible? So your path to the BLUM drop, more than 100,000 BLUM points, at least 750 MP of proof of activities, at least 2 referrals, pass CB check. So let me check if I'm in. Wow, I'm eligible. So I have more than 750 MP, at least 2 referrals, passed CB test. So you are all set. The drop has not started yet. Check back soon to claim. So thank God that I'm eligible. Make sure that you complete all the tasks. I think that is another thing. Complete all the tasks. Complete it. Claim what you should claim. You can see. So thank God, as you can see. So this is it right here. And also you are going to see a lot of things. You are going to see under your friends. So under your friend, you are going to see them here. You want to claim for friends. So you are going to see your friend here. You want to, you can just claim. Click on claim. You can see. So you have claim. It's going to be added here. You are going to see it, and it's here. So my BLUM points should be around, where is it? I think my BLUM points should be around 470,000, as you can see. So that is my BLUM points. So I'm going to see you in the next video. So thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.